What's up, Unbox fam? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie and Lazada's mid-year sale is here, and I know that some of you are already busy shopping, but for those of you who are looking for new smartphones, we decided to round up our top 5 smartphone deals that you'll find in this year's sale. Before we get to that list, just a quick reminder guys, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. We're still thinking of what giveaway to run once we hit that milestone, so stay tuned and subscribe now. Okay guys, this is gonna be a super quick video because we wanted it up as soon as possible because some of the deals that we'll be mentioning are for today only. That's July 12th. So if you happen to watch this tomorrow or the next day, the deal might have already expired, but I'm sure there's still a pretty good price cut on these devices, so make sure you still go onto Lazada and check them out. So the number 1 phone on this list is the Pocophone F1, and I remember everyone going crazy when they announced this smartphone because it offered a tremendous amount of value. Again, you have under the hood a Snapdragon 845 processor, and that's a lot of muscle for gaming, for everyday use. And there's a tremendous amount of value for this smartphone. I think they already gave it a price cut at $13,990 if I'm not sure. But for the Lazada mid-year sale, they're pricing it at $12,990 at least for today, July 12th. So we awarded this phone the best bang for your buck smartphone for the Unboxed Gadget Awards last year because it's definitely deserving of that praise. I mean, again, Snapdragon 845, you can't go wrong if you're a heavy mobile gamer and just want some of the best hardware under the hood for that price tag. Again, $12,990, a really good deal on this smartphone. But again, take note, this is for today only. So yeah, get right into it. If you were looking to purchase this phone, now's the time. So the next phone on our list is also from Xiaomi. It's the Xiaomi Mi A2, which means it's part of the Android One initiative. So you're getting a really pure experience from Android on this smartphone. Plus, the processing package on it is not bad at all, featuring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. Now that SoC was actually the mid-range processor of choice from last year, and it still offers a tremendous amount of value. There's still a lot of muscle under the hood for this smartphone. Plus, it's priced at their lowest ever right now. Again, for July 12th, I think it's only for today, but make sure you double check if you're watching this on July 13th. It's at 50% off at 6,990 pesos. So that's an insane amount of value right there. 6,990 for a Qualcomm 660 ARM smartphone. Not bad at all. Xiaomi Mi A2, pure Android experience. So if you don't want the MIUI experience and just want stock Android, this is the phone to get. Again, 7,000 pesos. You can't go wrong. Check it out now. So the third phone on our list is something from Oppo, which is the Oppo F11. So it's not the Pro version, so you won't have that pop-up camera and the all-screen display. You do have that small dewdrop or water drop notch, whatever they're calling it. It's not too bad. You're still getting a tremendous amount of value for this phone. You have the Helio P30 processor, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Again, for all the details that you'll find for our reviews and everything like that, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Or if we have a video for it, you can click it on the eye on the corner of the screen. I'm not sure which corner it's on, but yeah, click the eye on the corner of the screen for more details about all the phones that you'll be hearing in this list. But yeah, the Oppo F11 is priced at 13,570 pesos, which is 15% off its normal SRP. This is the lowest price it's ever been. So if you've been holding out on purchasing an F11, now's the time to get it through the Lazada mid-year sale. Alright, so the fourth phone on our list is the Huawei P30. Now, I know that Huawei has been in a bit of hot water recently, but things are starting to cool down. Plus, the company has made several guarantees to kind of put their customers' mind at ease. So if your Google apps do stop working for some reason, they will offer a full refund for your smartphone. So yeah, that definitely will put my mind at ease. But again, the Huawei P30 is a really great smartphone. You have the Kirin 980 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. But let's get real. You're gonna get a P30 because of mobile photography, and you have a triple camera setup on the back. It's not the same as its Pro brother, so you don't have that crazy 50 times digital zoom, but it's still a great set of shooters with a 40-megapixel main camera, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. for a great great breadth of options for shooting mobile photography. I always love having an ultra-wide camera, and again, Huawei has proven themselves time and time again when it comes to mobile photography. So if you were holding out for a flagship device or a P30, now's the time to get it. It's at 26,000, I think 28,990. Hang on, let me check my código here. It's at 28,990 pesos from its 36,990 peso price tag. So that's definitely a great deal if you're looking to pick up a Huawei P30 Pro. Oh, no, not a Pro, just a Huawei P30. So the last phone on our list is actually the most expensive one. It's actually the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which happens to be my daily driver. Now for the Lazada mid-year sale, it's priced at 51,990 pesos. Now I know that's a lot of money to be dropping on a smartphone, but they are including the Samsung Galaxy Fit plus a 2,000 peso Lazada voucher that you can use for other purchases. So there's definitely a lot of value there, especially if you've been holding out on getting this particular Samsung flagship. Again, all of the details for the smartphones you'll be seeing on this list will be available on the eye on the corner of the screen or in the description box down below. So if you want to know more about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, about how it holds up against other flagships or other previous flagships from other phones, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. So I guess that's pretty much it for this list. So that's pretty much it for this video for the top 5 smartphone deals that we found on Lazada's mid-year sale. Again, take note guys that some of the deals will only be for today, July 12. But stay tuned to all the deals that will be happening during the mid-year sale. I'm sure there'll still be slashing prices, there's still savings to be had, but these are just the top 5 ones that we found for today. I particularly like the one for the Pocophone F1 and the Huawei P30, so make sure you check those out. So again, that's pretty much it for me. My name is Jamie. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.